Hi guys, good morning. I just have a quick breakfast fix that I'm going to prepare, and I just wanted to share this with you. It's a salmon, sautéed salmon, and canned salmon. It's a can of salmon, and I'm going to saute it with some onions and garlic, etc. It's a good breakfast, a quick breakfast fix, and here we go. And thanks again for watching my videos, and please share and subscribe, and I'm grateful. Love you guys, and here we go. First, I have a can of salmon which I took off. I took the skin off. You know, you took take that silver thing off and the dark parts, and then I just crushed it, and that's my can of salmon. I have a diced onion here. I also have a diced onion. Here is my work table here. A diced onion. I put a little bit of ginger in there. It's thinly sliced, very thinly sliced. And I'll try to mince that up. Yeah, I just like the ginger. I like ginger and everything. I'm a ginger person. So I'm not going to use that. Some garlic. Garlic. Mince that up properly. So we have onions, a little ginger, some garlic, and that's about it. And we have a scallion. We're going to use a scallion. Give some green into it. Okay, and that's good. I'm going to start with a little ghee. Ghee. This is like a clarified butter. Half a teaspoon of that. It's it's good to use because it has a high heat resistance. It doesn't burn that quickly like butter. Butter would, if you leave it in there too long and gets too hot, it burns, turns brown. So, but the ghee has a high heat resistance, so you can saute at high heats with the ghee. I just add a little olive oil in there and let that heat up. To the salmon, I will add some heat, some chili powder, and some paprika. Some paprika. Alright, for some color, to enhance that color. And my go-to, my Knorr bullion, half a teaspoon. So that's seasoned. That's all I'm going to put in there. That's seasoned. I just turn this up, mix. It's all incorporated in here. Paprika, half a teaspoon of bullion, and some cayenne pepper powder. Okay, that's in there. So now to get my oil heated, maybe with the ghee and the olive oil, like 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, because the salmon is going to suck it all up once it gets in there. So we just have to make sure, if you do need to add, you can add a little more ghee or oil. If you don't have ghee, you can use all oil, just canola oil. But once this heats up, we'll start our sautéing of the vegetables. Put the onion and the ginger in there and let it go. That's working. We let this saute until it's translucent. The onion is translucent. I'll give the garlic a little while to cook and infuse the oil, and then we'll come back and put my salmon in there. There we go, guys. It's nice and translucent, and time to add my salmon. And the 2 tablespoons of oil is just good enough. Sorry about that. The water kept running. You get this all incorporated in here. And you with the onions, the garlic, the ginger, the scallion, and the salmon is already cooked through, so it's already cooked. So you just need to warm it through, and you can let it caramelize for a little bit, and to give it a nice little smoky taste if you want. If not, you just once it heats through, because your vegetables, your seasoning is cooked already. Once it heats through, you can take it off. At this point, you can take it off, and we're done. But I would let it sit for a little bit and get a little caramelization in the bottom. I like that little caramelization. And chili oil. I'm going to add some chili oil to it. A little more heat. And then I let it sit here and let it go for at least maybe 2 minutes or so. I let it go for about 2 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you the caramelization that I get in the bottom. So here we go. The little caramelization that I like in the bottom. A little crispy caramelization. Here we are, guys. I'll serve it up with some toast and maybe a couple pieces of oranges on there to cleanse your palate. It serves about four people, and this is the finished dish. Have this with my coffee. It's a quick early morning, a speedy breakfast, or maybe a brunch. So enjoy, and if you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me some suggestions, tell me if you try the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.